Good morning, dear friends. At least I'm again here doing live video for you. I'm now sitting in the nice park in Banbury. Here, by the way, are also parrots that remind me my birth in Ukraine, who remember my nice birth. Unfortunately, she is died. We gave her to our relatives, and probably she was so upset to move to other home. But anyway, we are alive and everything is okay. Hello to somebody who is watching me. I would like to tell you a bit about challenging situation. You know, that's for the last years I understand that challenging situation can help you if you do something for your personal development. Probably who is here for long time, they remember, like, I think in 2019 I started this video. It was sad time when coronavirus just started. All people were waiting for the big disaster, and all of them were under the influence of the sad news. No tourism, no people moving. And in that time I understand that I need to do something, and together with my friend I try to avoid fear to speak in public. It was very right decision because it was the first step to my personal growing, I think. And if you would like to change something, you just need to start it to do first step in something that scares you, that's you'd like to avoid. And really the world around you change after this, not because change something outside, because you change. And I really grateful to my friend who supported me in that time, and that's I found force, I found energy to continue this video. When I here in England, sometimes I have very challenging situation, but I look on my previous videos about history, about our traveling, and it inspires me a lot. Of course, as we here foreigners, we have many a bit difficult situation, you know, but if you do something, if you don't listen just to people who tell you you can't do it, here not proper job, here just job on the packing or something, don't listen to these people. Try to apply for difference, try to apply for job that's really you interested in. Probably it's can be challenging for you, it's require proper English, it's require additional professional skills, but in this way you can see you can grow up. Like me, I was sitting and I tried to find job and there was no response, but I try, and you know that's there was time when I get so many different offer and I can choose. And recently I have two ways where to go, and both jobs are very interesting. I will tell you after this. So never give up, always believe in yourself, always try to develop your skills. Here in England I visit English courses that help me to develop. So I'm not only traveling, but I also try to do something. Ukraine, it's not only about all this disaster, all these terrible things that happen now in Ukraine. Ukraine, it's about strong. We should to be strong, no matter where we are, in Ukraine or we are abroad, as strong as our army is. Putin put many bombs on Ukraine, and just recently you have seen all this terrible news from Kiev. But Ukrainian army had advanced, it's professional, it's knew what they want, it's knew their job. So I knew that all this experience that I can have in England, it helped me a lot in future when I come back to Ukraine, when I have many tourists, when I will be develop tourism in Ukraine. So I expected you coming to my country. That's I will show you the best places, but for the moment I'm just trainer here. I try to develop my British accent, and this is really great. If you have some question, you can write, or you would like to write here comments. I would like to tell you thank you, especially my not all, but my people who watch me for many years, and I really grateful you, because you are the people who support me, and without you it would not be this video at all. I also would like to thank to the new people, especially on YouTube, because I found you on my trip to here. I have many subscribers. I got many subscribers from Moldova, from Romania. Hello to Romanian guys, and in English as well. As you see, I found here many new places, and when I will have free times, I would like to go into a new place and to show you different cozy, beautiful, attractive towns, villages in England as well. So everything is okay. We are on our way. Everything is going according to the schedule, my schedule, yeah. And I hope that everything will be fine. Every of us, if I be alive, should to do something, should to do something in order to get this victory against the devil of our time. And I'm sure that this situation will make us stronger. The situation will make Ukraine one of the biggest and strongest country in the world. And of course we will believe in Ukraine, and we will be proud that we are Ukrainians and we live there. Thank you for everybody for watching. I wish you have very nice morning, very nice day. You can see here very green places around, and they inspired me. So thank you. If you have any question, comment, you can write down. I will be very happy to see you, to see your comments here. So for now, bye bye, and have a very nice day.